This is the AGV AMR wheel friction and traction interactive calculator, which determines if your automated vehicle has sufficient traction for safe operation on inclined surfaces. The calculator requires 5 input fields. First, enter the vehicle mass in kilograms. Second, input the coefficient of friction, represented by the Greek letter mu, which depends on your wheel material and floor surface. Third, specify the number of drive wheels. These are the powered wheels providing traction. Fourth, enter the grade angle in degrees for the slope you need to climb. Finally, input the total number of wheels on your vehicle. Let's work through an example. With a vehicle mass of 10 kilograms, coefficient of friction of 10, number of drive wheels at 10, grade angle of 10 degrees, and total number of wheels at 10, clicking Calculate Traction Forces gives us these results. The maximum traction force is 966.1 newtons. The maximum gradability shows 84.3 degrees, indicating the steepest slope this configuration can theoretically handle. The safety status confirms safe, adequate traction margin with a safety factor of 56.71, meaning this vehicle configuration has excellent traction reserves. This calculator helps ensure your AGV design meets operational requirements. Find the link in the description below.